Section 4.2 Solving system of linear equations using substitution. Example number 1. We want to solve the system using substitution. We recall in section 4.1 we solved the system by graphing. In this section we will use algebra and the method is substitution. The word sub means you replace something with something. So if we notice that negative 2x plus 10 is y, and we have y in the second equation. So what we should do is we plug 1 into 2. Then the second equation will become 3x plus 5, negative 2x plus 10. So that was y, and I replace equal 8. So 3x plus negative 10x plus 50 equal to 8. Then we will combine like terms, so we get negative 7x plus 50 equal to 8. Now we subtract 50 both sides, so negative 7x equal negative 42. Divide both sides by negative 7. So x equal to 6. Now we need to get two numbers, one number for x and one number for y. We will plug in the first equation. Then we will, which is 6 into the x. Then we will get negative 2 for y. Then we conclude that 6 comma negative 2 is the solution of the system. And of course, we should check our work by plug back in negative 2 equal negative 2 times 6 plus 10 and 3 times 6 plus 5 times negative 2 equal to 8. So let's simplify. Negative 2 equal, so this gives us negative 12 plus 10. And this is true statement because they both equal to negative 2 for both sides. So this is 18 plus negative 10 equal to 8. This is also true. Okay, so from now on, we should check our work and very fast to do so. The next problem, we will do similarly. So, however, the problem, the first equation and the second equation, then there's no y solving. If you notice that we go back to problem 1 and you see y in problem 1 solved, so it's very easy for us to plug in. So what should we do is we should solve for either variable x or y. This is what we should choose. We're going to choose this y to solve. The reason why is because in front of that y, we have the number is 1. Okay, so let's do it. Minus 2x both sides. Then we get negative 1y equal negative 2 minus negative 2x minus 15. Then we divide both sides by negative 1. So you know why we choose that y is because in front of y is 1. Then later on we divide by 1. Then anything divided by 1, it is divisible. If the number in front of y is 2 or 3 or 4, when we divide, maybe it's not divisible. Okay? So we should be smart that choose the number in front of the variable 1 or negative 1. In this case, it's negative 1. Then y equal to x plus 15. Then we will use this one from number 1, y equal to x plus 15, plug that into number 2. And we will get 4x plus 3, 2x plus 15 equal 5. So this one is from number 2. Now we will open the parentheses and combine like terms. Then we will subtract 45 both sides. And we divide both sides by 10 to solve for y. And then another to find y, to solve for x, we get -4. And another to solve for y, we will plug back into equation number 1 or equation number 2. However, I already have y solved in here, so I just need to plug in. Actually, that one was come from number 1 before. So instead of plugging number 1, we plug to this one because it's solved for y. So y equal to times -4 plus 15. So we will get the answer is 7. So we conclude that -4, 7 is the solution of the system. And for checking, you're gonna check it by yourself.